I've been comparing Wireguard and L2TP in 2025, and the differences between them are pretty clear. While both are used to set up secure VPN connections, they're built on very different technologies and standards. So choosing the better one depends on your priorities when it comes to speed, security, and ease of setup. WireGuard is a modern VPN protocol that's been gaining serious traction for its speed, efficiency, and security. It uses cutting-edge encryption, has a lean codebase, and is known for being both lightweight and fast. Setup is fairly straightforward for tech-savvy users, and it performs exceptionally well on everything from mobile devices to servers. Its simplicity means fewer vulnerabilities, and the fact that it's open source adds an extra layer of trust. If you're looking for a high-performance VPN that's built for the future, WireGuard is hard to beat. L2TP, which stands for Layer 2 Tunneling Protocol, is much older and typically used in combination with IPsec to provide encryption. On its own, L2TP doesn't actually offer any encryption. It's just a tunneling method. That's why it's almost always paired with IPsec. The setup is usually more complex, and performance tends to be slower compared to WireGuard. It's also worth noting that L2TP/IPsec can be blocked more easily by firewalls and has fallen out of favor in recent years due to concerns around its age and security limitations. If you're focused on speed, modern encryption, and ease of maintenance, WireGuard is the clear winner in 2025. L2TP might still work for some legacy systems or highly specific network configurations, but it's largely considered outdated for most users today. If this comparison helped you decide which VPN protocol fits your needs, give the video a like, share it with someone exploring VPN options, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.